Yeah, so I got some more parts here, and just my oil tank rubbers there, and I go on the bottom of there. So like made up this bracket here, notched a bit of a hole there for the tube there, and yeah, so I'll have to drill some holes in it. And it would seem that this the inside of this rubber measures at it's around about 33/64. So I'm saying that's pretty much ½ inch. So draw out some ½ inch holes there and get that mounted to there. And then the tank goes in back here, so I'm thinking by the time I get my bracket in, I'll have to space it out probably about 3/4 of an inch or so, and then we can get that figured out and get her mounted up. So the other part of the other rubber goes here and it bolts up here, and yeah, we'll get that sorted out. Yeah, so I got the engine kind of stuck in the frame there, and I got some of the pieces that I had on order. I got the transmission detent pointer and steering nut and a tank bolt there, so see about getting the transmission in it. And I got the oil tank kind of mounted here. I kind of looking fairly good. A little bit of tweaking yet to do. I had to down in here I had to like ding that in with like 1.25 inch galvanized pipe, and gave her a good old hit with a hammer, because the frame's been changed there. You know, you got this detent here that was made if the down tube came there, but it has a center down tube, so I had to do some adjustments on the oil tank. So hopefully we got this. The rubbers are pretty squished there. She's pretty tight in there, but got the pipe going through the mount there, and got her all bolted up. So good thing I didn't paint the oil tank before I tried fitting her in there, because it took a little bit to get her in place. So next thing I'll do is slide the transmission in there and see how that goes. And we should be ready to do the top end of the motor here soon. Hopefully before too long. Yeah, so got a little more progress done on it. I'm pretty much ready to get the primary all together. Got the transmission in, and it went in fairly easy once I got everything sorted out, but it's been in and out a couple of times. I got the sprocket on there, so I actually had to take it off there to get the sprocket nut on there, because I didn't have a socket deep enough to get on that nut. So 1.5 inches socket, so I had a shallow one, and with the transmission out I could tighten up that sprocket good. So I got her all tuned up and got the tranny in, and it turns out the new detent that I got for the shifter cam there, the detent pointer, I got a new aftermarket, was a little too long, so I took a little bit off, probably about somewhere in between a 1/16 and an 1/8 of an inch, and now she's shifting good, and I got her all bolted up there. So yeah, we're pretty much ready to do some other things and get some more progress going. So hopefully, I gotta order some pieces for the primary drive. I dug out all the pieces I had. I had a whole box of maybe 2 different ones, but all in all, I'm missing a few pieces. So the nut and the washer that holds her all on there. So yeah, get that stuff ordered in, and maybe get the oil tank painted there, and we'll definitely get some more progress going.